Hey, do you use GoHighLevel? Do you use AI? Do you want to save $1 million on bills from stupid GoHighLevel and AI? Well, check this out. So this is GoHighLevel, and this is the private integration section. Okay, and the private integration section is where you can kind of get a key, an API key, really is what it is, and basically, what it will do is you sign up, you give a key, so you get a thing, da da da, or whatever, and then you tell it the scopes, which is everything that it possibly can do, and then you give it, you create that, all right, and then you come over to, let's say, Cloud Code or Codex, depending on whatever it is that you're trying to do, and then you can basically, for the most part, just talk to it, tell it what to do, tell it what to build out, give it a bunch of really clear instructions. If you have SOPs, it's a way to AI build out your entire Go High Level in some limitations. Now there is apps that you can create which do give a lot more access and a lot of things on top of that. And what's crazy is you can actually get Claude Code to actually build you apps. So looks like here's what we got when you just go to your Go High Level account, settings, private integrations. Okay. In Go High Level, settings, private integrations. When you go there and then you just set that up, like I kind of showed you, you'll immediately get access to these endpoints, which is all of the things that you can do with, you can tell AI to do, you can create workflows to do all this stuff. So we got, obviously we got read only, we have full read. We want to figure out write access. So we got reading, it can read all these things, and then writing is more important because that's where it comes to the automations and things like that. So we can immediately send all SMS, email. I set up my own iMessage bridge, which is a whole other thing, but you can set up iMessage as well. And then conversations, opportunities, book appointments, products, create tags, create orders, create users, create social posts, create blog posts. You don't get access to invoices, snapshots, these other things. But so you can immediately start what would probably be, you can't build out workflows, huh? I would say probably the most important would be sending and receiving emails because you could set up external ability to do that. Um, Creating tags, custom fields, booking appointments, creating opportunity, start new conversations. Seems like we need to be able to create workflows so you can read workflows, but it's saying you're not able to actually. So that's where you kind of have to get a little bit deeper access, but you can immediately start doing some basic stuff with your credentials that you get when you immediately go to your Go High Level private integrations. And that's what that page is for. So if you need help building out your Go High Level, if you need help getting AI working inside of it, I'm not a big fan of anything inside of Go High Level that is AI. I think it's really expensive. I'd rather use all external outsourced local stuff or super high level, the best AI, not anything that they necessarily have. So, but holler at me in the comments, hit me up an email, book an appointment if you really are serious and you need some help getting AI automations working. Thanks so much for joining me in this video. I'll see you in the next one.